Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to set up fingerprint unlock on Vivo. If you are using a Vivo phone and now you want to set up your fingerprint unlock, so let's see how can you do this. For this you just have to open your phone settings app, and here just scroll down and look for privacy and security options. Here's the tab, the password and security. You just have to select it, in which you will get the fingerprint pop up. Just select it, and here look for fingerprint options. Here's that, just select it, and here you must have to enter your phone password or pin as I have entered, and now you will get all of your fingerprint setup. Here I have selected 3 fingerprint, but you can add one more. Just tap on add fingerprint and then tap on start enrollment, and after that you must have to put your finger on finger sensor. Just complete the process, and after that your fingerprint setup will be ready. And here you can see I have done it. Now tap on done, and that's how you can easily set up your fingerprint unlock. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.